Hello guys, today I will show you the simplest way to make low poly sea or pond water simulation or animation. So let's do it. Shift plus A, then mesh, then plane. S, scale the size 5 meter by 5 meter, it's up to you. Then go to shading tab, click on new. So this is our new material. Let's name the material water. Click on add, then at search box texture coordinate, then left click on texture coordinate, place it somewhere around here. Again click on the add tab, then search for mapping, left click, place. Same, search for Musgrave texture, MUSGRAVE, left click, place it, click on add, then again search for bump, BUMP, place it. Texture coordinate generate to vector, then mapping output vector to texture vector, then Musgrave texture height to bump height, then bump normal to principal BSDF normal. As you can see that it's already giving us some watery look. Come to Musgrave texture, then increase the scale. It will increase the density, you can say. I think it's enough. Now if we change the base color, it will change our watercolor. If we carefully analyze the water of pond or sea, we will find some small ripples between the waves too. So for that, increase the lacunarity to around 4 to 3.5 for my plane size. See, it's looking more organic. Now the texture is done, and now our next step, how we can animate this wave. So for that, you see there is a folder looking icon. Click on it, go to dope sheet, let's give some room, click on mapping. This is our animation timeline, and this is the first frame. Drag and move your playhead to the first frame, click on mapping node, come to location, then over any of the value right click, insert keyframe. Now at first frame all of the values are 0. Let's drag our playhead to the end of our video to 50. Now let's change Y to like 0.8, right click, insert keyframe, then Z like 0.5, right click, replace keyframe. Mainly the value of Y and Z is up to you, that how fast you need the wave to be moved. Let's run, let's see. See, a cool looking simple water simulation. So when we are animating this kind of water, we need to look after these values like metallic. See, it's changing the look. Roughness, making it soft. Scale for density of wave. Lacunarity for small ripples between the waves. In mapping, Y and Z for the water movement. Mainly those are all of the values you need to look after when animating this kind of animation.